Hey guys, Smalls and Talls here. We are at the Cooper's Furnace Trail.
Let's hike down to the Laurel Ridge Trail.
All right, everybody, we're asking a favor from all of you. You guys know us as Smalls and Talls. I am Smalls and my son is Talls. That originated back when we would watch The Sandlot from the "You're Killing Me, Smalls" line. Well, when we would go on a big hike and going up a hill, he would always tell me, "You're killing me, Smalls." So my name became Smalls, and then he became Talls shortly after that. But one thing we're asking you is, our new friend here has been going by the name of Mediums. We were wondering if you guys could help us come up with a better trail name for him. So please comment down below a good trail name for him. We really appreciate the help, just having a little bit of fun with this, getting him a name. All right, guys, we're going to keep hiking.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. SNT. Peace out.